Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share about how to install MooZiicart extension in Joomla 4. The MooZiicart extension is the extension when this we can create online shopping e-commerce sites in Joomla 4. We can easily create with this extension. So I will guide you step by step how to install this in Joomla 4. So first of all, we need to download the MooZiicart extension. We can download this extension in the provided URL. You can see in myphp.com website. From this URL, here you can read the documentation, how to install and how to use this extension in Joomla 4. If you are not familiar with Thai language, you can change the language from here. I will click on English language. Now you can read in English version. Here they provide step by step how to install this MooZiicart extension. First of all, we have to download the XAMPP server and Joomla 4, and we have to set up this Joomla 4 on localhost. After we have set up the XAMPP server, Joomla 4, after that now we can install MooZiicart extension. Here you can read step by step instruction how to install MooZiicart. First we have to install Joomla, and if we have already set up Joomla, now we can download the MooZiicart from here. You can click on this link. Now we reach this page. If we scroll down here, I will translate to English. Here you can see the many download options. I will download this latest called MooZiicart 1.1250.zip. There are many options. I will download this latest version. I will click on this download link. Now we reach this page, and here also I will click on this download link, and after some time it will start downloading. Your download will start automatically. After some time it will finish downloading. After it is finished, now I have already installed it, so I cancel the downloading. Here I have already installed that zip file. Now we have to go to the browser again and go to our Joomla 4 site. Here I have already logged in my Joomla 4 site. You have to set up the Joomla 4 installation and login. After I have now logged in with administrator account. So now I will show how to add that extension in this Joomla 4. So first of all, here you can see the system tag menu. If I click on this, here you can see manage extension. I will click on this. In this extension page, we have to install extension. Now I have to click on this install extension. Here we have to upload that folder here, so we have to upload that. Upload that zip file here. Now it is installing. Please wait for some moment. Now it has finished installation. If we want to know it is finished or not, here I got the installation of the component was successful message. I will click on this component. Here you can see the MooZiicart extension. So the MooZiicart extension is successfully installed in our Joomla 4 site. Now we can create the MooZiicart. After some time it will finish installation. And if we want to know it is installed or not, we can check on this components, and here you can see the MooZiicart extension here. Now we can create our e-commerce sites with this MooZiicart extension. So thank you very much. In this video I shared about how to install this MooZiicart extension in Joomla 4. Thank you very much for your attention.